Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to create your account on Base44 in the easiest way. You will find the Base44 link in my video's description. If you sign up using that link, you will get 10 free credits. This process only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step from start to finish. So let's get started. First, open Base44 using the link in the video's description. Once the page opens, look at the top right corner. You will see a button that says Start Building. Click on it. Now a new page will open where Base44 asks you to log in. If you are visiting Base44 for the first time, simply click on Sign Up at the bottom. Here, you have two options. You can create your account using Google, or you can sign up using your email. In this video, I'll show you how to create your account using your email. First, enter your email address. Then, in the password field, create a strong password. Make sure your password has at least 8 characters, includes both uppercase and lowercase letters, and at least one symbol. After entering your password, click on Sign Up. Now Base44 will send a verification code to the email address you entered. Open your email inbox, copy the OTP code, and paste it into the verification box on the screen. After entering the OTP, click on Verify OTP, and that's it. Your Base44 account has been created successfully. You can now start building and using the platform. Before you leave, don't forget to check the link in my description and sign up from there to get your 10 free credits. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.